Let me be real with you. If I was starting Go High Level from absolutely zero in 2026, no audience, no clients, no fancy brand, no clue, I would not do what 90% of the people are doing right now. If you're copying YouTube gurus from 2021, you're already cooked. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to ignore, what to focus on, and the one move that turns Go High Level into reoccurring income instead of an expensive toy. Yeah, this even works if you feel behind, especially if you feel behind. Quick context so you know where I'm coming from. My name is Stacia. Aloha. I'm from Honolulu, Hawaii, filming this from my home office, and I've built, broken, rebuilt, and scaled Go High Level setups across real estate, local businesses, coaching, and SaaS. I've seen what works when algorithms change. I've seen what breaks when trends die. And I've watched people overcomplicate themselves straight into burnout. So this isn't theory. This is battle tested 2026 reality. Now, let's get into it. Most people fail with Go High Level for one reason. They treat it like software. No, but Go High Level is not software. It's an infrastructure. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't have a tool problem. You have a positioning problem. If you don't fix that first, nothing else matters. Not funnels, not workflows, not AI agents. So if you're starting from scratch, here's step one. Hot take. I would not pick a niche first. I know, not on the same line as everyone is talking about. I'd pick one painful, expensive problem. Example, missed calls equals missed money. Leads are not getting followed up on. Reviews are not being collected, and no shows are killing revenue. These are very simple things and expensive problems because in 2026, people don't buy platforms, they buy relief. Your job is not to sell Go High Level. Your job is to say, hey, this one thing is leaking money in your business, and I help fix that automatically. That's it. One problem, one promise, one outcome. If you can't explain what you fix in one sentence, you're not ready to sell. This is where people spiral, right? They build 47 workflows, dashboards nobody opens, pipelines that look cool but do nothing. No. If I were starting from scratch, I would build one boring, profitable workflow, a workflow that captures the lead, follows up fast, books the call, or saves the deal. That's it. No bells, no whistles, no AI for the sake of AI, just to be on trend. Just trigger action results. If this doesn't move money, it doesn't get built. You can get fancy after you get paid. So now, where most people mess it up, they build the system, but they package it completely wrong. And this is the difference between making 97 and making 997 a month per client. Let me explain. In 2026, nobody cares that you're offer Go High Level. Cool. So does everyone else. What they care about is, will this stop me from missing leads? Will this save me time? Will this make my phone ring? So I would never sell CRM access. I would sell missed call text back system, a follow-up system that doesn't ghost, review machine that runs on itself. The software is just a delivery mechanism. You're not a reseller. You're a systems translator. I like that one. Say that again. Systems translator. That's how you raise your prices without explaining yourself. Okay. Another unpopular opinion. If I were starting today, I would not lead with done for you services. Why? I'm burnt out. Because done for you DFY caps your time and trains your clients to rely on you. That was the whole point. I don't want them to rely on me. Instead, I'd lead with done with you setup, guided implementation, clear. You're not here to build someone a crutch. You're here to install a system they can actually use. And that's how you scale without losing your mind, right? This part matters. I would not post generic tips, walkthrough. I would post why your leads aren't responding, the real reason your ads stop converting. This one automation saves my client hours. I love those. Teach from pain, process, and the payoff. What's the payoff? That's what pain versus pleasure, right? If your content doesn't make someone say, wait, that's my problem, I'm experiencing that, then you're not booking anything. Views are cute, but buyers pay the rent. And I live in the most expensive place in the world, Hawaii. So we got to lock in. Let's lock this in. All right. If I were starting Go High Level from scratch in 2026, I would, number one, pick out one painful problem, not a niche. I want people who actually have this big problem that are willing to pay. I don't care what niche they're in. Build one money workflow only. Sell outcomes, not software. Lead with done with you, not burnout. Create content that speaks to buyers, not scrollers. That's the whole play. No hype, no fluff, no dancing required. If you want to shortcut this and see how I actually structure this whole thing inside of Go High Level, check out the link in the description. I've got a free training that breaks down step by step, no gatekeeping, no nonsense. And if this video helped you at all, do the YouTube thing, like it, save it, send it to a friend who's overthinking everything, and I'll see you on the next one. Much love and aloha.